In today's video, I am going to teach you how to automatically save passwords on Google Chrome step by step. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. From that menu, click Settings. After you are in Settings, find and click Autofill and Passwords. This section controls how Chrome handles things like saved addresses, payment details, and login information. Inside this area, click Google Password Manager. Once Google Password Manager opens, look for the menu icon with 3 lines and click it. This will open another small menu with more options related to password management. From there, click Settings. Now find the option labeled Offer to Save Passwords and Passkeys and click it to turn it on. When this setting is enabled, Google Chrome will prompt you to save your login details whenever you enter them on a supported website. As a helpful tip, make sure you are comfortable saving passwords on the device you are using, especially if it is a shared or public computer. This feature is most useful on a personal device where only you have access. If Chrome is signed into your Google account and syncing is enabled, your saved passwords may also be available across your other signed-in devices, which can make browsing much more convenient. Once this setting is turned on, you do not need to do anything else. Chrome will now automatically offer to save passwords and passkeys as you log into websites. That covers everything you need to know.